In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute Easter card using the Full of Happiness stamp set. So here's the card, here's the stamp set, Full of Happiness. It has this cute chick and this egg, and the egg can be cut out with the Dino Dies, which is really fun. So I've got all of my materials right here. I've already stamped and cut out the chick. I fussy cut the chick, and then I stamped and cut out the eggs from the Dino Die. So now I'm just going to line these up a little bit, overlap them so that I can punch a hole using a 1/16 hole punch. And then keep holding it in place while you get your brads. I just had the brads here. There they are. So here are the brads, and then I like to use this little tool to kind of save my fingers and fingernails. It's kind of nifty. I don't remember, we are memory keepers. So that's where that came from. And then I've got my opening chick part. So now I can stamp this sentiment in basic black, Memento black ink. Here's to a new beginning. And just put that right in the middle. And that's going to get dimensionals, and this bottom piece is going to get dimensionals too. So just the bottom, not the top. And the chick is going to be adhered flat. So we're going to start with the basket weave embossed paper. Super cute. I really love it. And I'll just adhere this down. And now I'll adhere the chick kind of in the middle. And then I will add the egg on top of the chick. What a cute little peekaboo card. Oh, I did it this way. That's fine, that works too. So I'm gonna line this chick up. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Whoops, I put it on the wrong dimensional, so it does have to go this way, which is fine, that works. There's our little chick, and then I'll just add the sentiment on. There we go. There's our chick cards. Thank you so much for watching. To view my other tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and please share my channel with others. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.